Hello, welcome back. All right, we're going to do a sweetheart walk with an outside underarm spin for the ladies. This is a walk, not a whip. This is a walk. We're going to go from one end and to the other and back for you, okay? So two different perspectives. Here we go. Start on the basic, changing hands to the right handshake. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Yes? Good. Here we go. Let's take it from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And you notice, just like the whip, we just have a right to right, but we get out of the way and we walk her out instead of doing the whip and take her back. Yes? So, if you want more information, go to the private lesson style videos and the spins drills, ladies. That'll help out a lot. So, go have fun, practice, and come on back for your next pattern.